Working a full-time job while building my small business feels like running two marathons at the same time, one foot in front of the other, day after day. It's exhausting. The long hours, the late nights, the weekends, and truthfully, there have been moments where I've wondered, why am I even doing this? There have been times I've wanted to quit. Maybe you felt that way too with your small business. But every time I get close to throwing in the towel, something pulls me back. For me, my business isn't just a business. It's a creative outlet. It's a way for me to take my love of travel and channel it into something tangible, something that connects me with others who share that same passion. When I started my travel-inspired candle business, I wanted to fill a gap. I wanted to create something that helped people escape the daily grind and experience the joy of travel, even if they couldn't pack their bags and hop on a plane. That's what I hope to offer. And even when it's hard, that mission keeps me going. The truth is, building a small business isn't glamorous. It's messy, stressful, and sometimes lonely. But it's also deeply rewarding. Every time a customer tells me, the candle reminds me of my favorite vacation, or this is exactly what I needed, it reminds me why I started in the first place. I know it can feel overwhelming, especially when you're juggling it all, but here's the thing. Your small business is your story. It's your creativity, your vision, your hard work coming to life. And that matters. To anyone out there running a small business while working full-time, I want you to know you're not alone. It's okay to feel tired. It's okay to doubt yourself. What's not okay is giving up on your dream. Because here's what I've learned. Small businesses aren't just about selling products or services. They're about creating connections. They're about filling a need that only you can fill. Your business has the potential to inspire, to uplift, and to bring people joy in ways you might not even realize yet. So keep going. Take it one day at a time. Rest when you need to. But don't let the hard days convince you to quit. Someone out there needs what you're creating. And more importantly, you need it. Because this journey isn't just about building a business, it's about building yourself. Your perseverance, your creativity, and your belief in something bigger than the daily grind. Well, at least me, the daily grind. I'm not saying it's easy. It's not. But it's worth it. So, show up, even when it's hard. Create, even when you doubt yourself. And to holding on to your dreams no matter what, you've got this, and you're not alone in the journey. I know it's tempting to quit when the going gets tough. Believe me, I've been there. But here's what I've realized. Your small business is more than a business. It's a part of you. It's your vision, your creativity, and your passion brought to life. It's your way of making just a little something better. If you're feeling stuck, overwhelmed, or questioning whether it's worth it, let me tell you this. Someone out there needs what you're creating. They need you. Maybe it's the product or service you offer. Maybe it's the inspiration they get from watching you chase your dream. Either way, your work matters. So here's my message to you. Don't give up. Take breaks when you need to. Let yourself rest. But don't let the hard days convince you that your dream isn't worth fighting for. Because it is. Your small business is your story, your impact, and your legacy. It's proof that you can take an idea and turn it into something real, something meaningful. So keep going, keep creating, keep showing up, even when it feels impossible. Because one day, you'll look back and realize it wasn't just about building a business, It was about building you, and that's something no one can take away.